going to use the V-script because you need a nice steady thing, and we're going to lay 3 things up, and we're down here at the Ernie Banks thing. Okay, so 3 pieces of video. So I got it set up. People taking pictures. iPhone does much more than that. I had to stop motion, time lapse. So, Mr. Woo Woo getting pictures of people. So now I'm going to try the time lapse on this and see what happens. Cell phones, they should go landscape rather than up, you know? Anyway, there you have it.